Hello my people, welcome back to my estate video. I just want to quickly drop this video this night to show you guys how to locate your referral link, which is called agent link in estate. Okay, I know that some of you recently joined estate and then you applied to become an agent, and now you are looking for a way to get your referral link. It's just so simple to get, but I will show you how to do that. So once you log in into your account, you will see all the tabs, okay, at the top. Okay, so you see your dashboard, you see your buyer tab, you will see your agent tab, you will see reward tab, you will see the info hub tab, right? So where you want to go is you want to go to your agent tab. This is where you want to go. Okay, when you click on your agent tab, it will drop down and open three sub links, okay, or three sub tabs. So you will see your agent panel, you will see my clients, and then you will see your landing page. So you want to click on the landing page. Okay, so please remember this: log in into your account, go to agent tab. Okay, that's number one thing you need to do. Okay, so click on your agent landing page. Once you hit your agent landing page, you should be able to scroll down under where it says landing page preview. Scroll down there, you will see where it says copy link. Okay, so then you will now copy your referral link or your agent link and share with your friends and family that you are looking to introduce estate to. Now remember, for you to be able to access your agent link, you need to have applied to become an agent and your application is supposed to have been approved. Okay, now for you to apply, for you to have access to the application form in your back office, you will need to have paid $9. Okay, once you pay the $9, you will now automatically have access to the application form to become an agent. And then you complete the application form, submit it, and the CEO of estate will review the application. Once he is happy with your application, he will confirm it, and then from there you will have access to your landing page. Okay, and once you have access to your landing page, you will be able to get your referral link or your agent link, and then you'll be able to do that. Now remember, you have two options to pay for the agent fee. Okay, the agent fee is either $9 every month, or you pay $90 for 12 months. Okay, so there is a reduction when you do 12 months instead of every month $9. Okay, so that's how to get your referral link in estate. Okay, thank you and God bless.